Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best D1s is probably one of the most sought-after products in the market right now, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into the world of D1s, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this video is your ultimate guide to understanding why D1s is making waves and if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Torchbeam D1s HID bulbs, brighter and safer. Tired of dim headlights? These Torchbeam D1s bulbs are 300% brighter than halogen bulbs, thanks to the German Xenon gas. This means you'll see more clearly and drive safer at night. Forget complicated installations. These bulbs are designed to factory specifications, so there's no dashboard error. You can replace your old bulbs in minutes, right at home. These D1s bulbs are compatible with many models, including BMW E90, E91, E92, E93, F07, F10, F20, F21, F30, F31, F34, F80, and E60, E61 from 2006 onwards. Make sure your car uses HID assembly. These bulbs use only 35 W of power and have an anti-ultraviolet coating. This helps prevent the brightness from fading over time, so you won't have to replace them as often. The shockproof aluminum shell and IP67 waterproof design protect the bulbs from rain, snow, dust, and high engine temperatures. This ensures the bulbs will last for a long time. What we like. Torchbeam bulbs offer a significant brightness upgrade, making night driving safer. The easy installation means you can upgrade your headlights quickly. If you frequently drive in challenging weather conditions or want a simple upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. The pattern of the light is actually very consistent, so much so that unless you compare an OEM bulb side by side you can't really tell. They light up the road very well, but they don't blind the oncoming traffic. They work fantastic, nice cool color and no glare, love them so far, will definitely look forward to another set. Easy to install and clear and no flickering. Number 4. DMEX D1s HID headlight bulbs, 6000K cool white. Are you looking for a reliable headlight replacement? These are designed specifically for D1s HID headlights. They offer a significant upgrade in performance. Please note, these bulbs are only for stock D1s HID headlights. Make sure your car already has HID headlights before purchasing. They will not fit halogen or LED systems. Featuring 100% quartz anti-UV glass, this product delivers up to 3,800 lumens. This means it's brighter than your original standard bulb, improving visibility. With high-quality xenon gas and advanced components, this product increases your irradiation distance by 50 meters. This gives you an extra 4.5 seconds of break reaction time. This is a pack of 2 D1s 6000K 35W HID headlight bulbs, designed as an OEM replacement. You'll also receive a 24-month warranty, ensuring quality and peace of mind. What we like. DMEX bulbs increase your visibility with an extended irradiation distance. The high-quality materials ensure reliable performance. If you prioritize safety and want a product backed by a solid warranty, consider this option. What people say. The light is much brighter and whiter compared to standard halogen bulbs, which makes night driving a lot clearer and safer. They throw light farther down the road, so visibility is better in dark areas. They fit perfectly, easy install and have a nice look. Number 3. Marsauto D1s HID bulbs, 6000K xenon. Tired of dim headlights? These Marsauto D1s HID bulbs offer a significant upgrade. They provide a brighter, clearer light for safer driving. These bulbs are designed specifically for vehicles with existing D1s HID headlights. Please ensure your car uses this type before purchasing. If you are not sure, please check your car's manual or contact us. Experience a massive increase in brightness. These bulbs are up to 350% brighter than halogen bulbs, improving visibility and reaction time. Enjoy up to 3,500 hours of reliable performance. The bulbs are built with a waterproof design and high temperature resistance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Installation is a breeze. With a 1:1 design, you can replace your old bulbs in just minutes. Even your wife can do it. What we like. Marsauto bulbs provide exceptional brightness, significantly improving your night vision. With a long lifespan, it reduces the need for frequent replacements. If you are looking for a long-lasting, bright, and easy-to-install upgrade, this is the one. What people say. This xenon bulb provides a very bright light that greatly improves nighttime visibility. It's easy to install and has good quality. Works very well and are pretty bright. Number 2. Ollie Philips XenStart D1s 4300K HID replacement bulb. Are you looking for a reliable replacement bulb? This is a Philips XenStart D1s 4300K HID replacement bulb. It's a great choice for your car's headlights. This bulb is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, quality product. It's designed to meet the same standards as the original bulbs. You can trust it to perform well. The 4300K color temperature provides a bright, white light. This color temperature is often preferred for its visibility. It helps you see the road clearly at night. This bulb operates at 35W, providing efficient lighting. It offers a good balance of brightness and energy consumption. It is a DOT-certified product. This bulb is made in Germany, ensuring high quality. The product is from ALI. It is a pack of 1. What we like. This Philips bulb offers OEM quality, ensuring a reliable and consistent light output. The 4300K color temperature provides a natural, comfortable light. If you prefer a trusted brand and want a direct replacement with standard color, this is a solid choice. What people say. This Philips D1s bulb is a high-quality, direct replacement for factory HID headlights. The 4300K color provides bright, white light with excellent road visibility. It's an OEM part made in Germany, meeting all original specs. Installation was straightforward. Note, this is for D1s fitment only, confirm your bulb type first. A reliable and effective upgrade. Highly recommend. The product was top quality and worked perfectly. Fits great. Brighter than the older bulb. Number 1. Termitor D1s Xenon HID headlight bulbs. Introducing the Termitor D1s Xenon HID headlight bulbs. These bulbs offer a significant upgrade, providing exceptional brightness for safer driving at night. They are designed to replace your stock D1s headlights. Experience a massive boost in visibility with 800% more brightness. The 6000K cool white light provides a crisp, clear view of the road ahead, making driving more comfortable. The light output is similar to the original bulbs. These 35W xenon headlight bulbs last 6 times longer than standard halogen lamps. They consume less power while delivering superior brightness, saving you money and time on replacements. Please note that it takes a few seconds for the bulbs to reach their brightest stage. Installation is quick and easy with the plug-and-play design. There's no need for modifications or extra wiring, and it installs in minutes without triggering any error codes. Simply replace your old bulbs with these. Built with a robust metal base and an IP68 waterproof rating, these bulbs are designed to withstand various weather conditions. Whether it's rain, snow, or extreme heat, they provide consistent, high-performance lighting. This ensures the bulbs will last. These Termitor HID bulbs are specifically designed to replace D1s headlights. They are not suitable for halogen or LED assemblies. If you're unsure about compatibility, please contact us for verification before purchasing. What we like. Termitor bulbs offer an incredible brightness boost, enhancing visibility dramatically. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze. If you want the brightest possible headlights in a hassle-free installation, this is the perfect option. What people say. They worked perfectly and nothing was wrong with them. They're also very bright. Awesome product. It has great light output, only thing is my fitment wasn't as tight as OEM but still worked out well. A must over junk OEM light. Easy replacement. Fits perfectly. Super bright. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.